Swiss tunnels. Switzerland's unique geography is the main reason behind the abundance of tunnels in the country. The Alps act as a natural divide between the north and south, covering over half of the total land area and requiring a complex tunnel network for travel. These tunnels in Switzerland are crucial for not just drivers, but also for trains and cargo transportation. In this article, we'll delve into the Swiss Alpine passes and tunnels, highlighting key points to keep in mind when navigating through them. In 2020, data analysis revealed that approximately 6 million cars and trucks pass through the Gotthard Tunnel in Switzerland annually. This statistic highlights the significance of the country's road tunnels. These tunnels are a crucial component of the road infrastructure, playing a vital role not just in traffic flow but also in the economy. The oldest tunnel, known as the Urnerloch, dates back to 1708. Since then, numerous other tunnels have been constructed, shaping Switzerland's road network into what it is today, referred to as tunnels. In Swiss High German, these routes serve as vital connections between various regions and cities.